What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As a lot of you know, performance cars such as the CT5-V Blackwing, Hellcats, Camaro ZL1s, all types of performance cars come with features such as launch control and performance traction management to allow the car to really show its talents and put all of the power to work. So we're going to show you exactly how that works in the Blackwing. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go ahead and start it up. First things first. Once you've started it up, you can go ahead and press this dial here and put it in race mode, which then turns ESC off. I like to also hit V just to open up the exhaust and just, turn everything to maximum performance. Then what you want to do is put the car in drive. Once you're in race mode, you can go into V performance mode. So this is a screen on your cluster here. You can swipe through using this dial and go on over to launch control. And then what you do is you just press your foot on the brake until it turns green. And then you also press your foot on the accelerator. And that's going to allow you to release the brake and launch the car. Let's see what that looks like. Alright guys, so once you're in V performance mode and you've got the proper traction mode selected and you've also scrolled over to launch control mode, what you want to do now is just press your left foot on the brake while you, with your right foot, press on the accelerator, and then you can just launch. This thing is a freaking beast. Oh shit, cops. Get your interest towards winning this Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. This could be you.